Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the 5th unit, fraction. What we learnt in the previous class, we'll recall once and we'll go to the next section. We read about types of a fraction, the previous section, and today's class we are going to learn about a comparison and ordering. So comparing and ordering of the number, when we are comparing with the numerator and denominator, we can make it in the ascending order, otherwise descending order. For example, they given 6 by 10, 5 by 10, 2 by 10, 7 by 10 in an ascending order. If all the denominators are equal, then it is easy for us to compare the number. Compare with the numerator, the smallest number is the smallest one. So 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10 and 7 by 10 is the order of a number. Next, if it is unlike fraction, we have to compare the numerator and denominator, make it into the equal one first. That is, we have to compare the numbers both by different numerators, otherwise different denominators. First you compare the denominator, take the denominator, make it into LCM, like they given. First step, make it into LCM. Second step, make it into equivalent fraction. Then third step, comparison. So when we are explaining the sum, you can able to understand clearly. In a book page number 60, you have a mental max sum. Let me explain that comparison of a number. We will do it in that book. Otherwise, write it in the CW and understand the sums. Example sum given in your book page number 60. We have a 7 by 8 and 9 by 10. 8 and 10, 2 are the denominators. You have to take the 8 and 10, make it into LCM, that is 8 and 10, LCM is 40. So 8 multiplied by 5, it is 40. 10 multiplied by 4 is 40. So you have to multiply the numerator as well as the denominator with the same number. So 7 by 8 multiplied by 5 by 5. We'll get 35 by 40. 9 by 10 into 4 by 4, we will get 36 by 40. Now you can compare 35 by 40 and 36 by 40. Which is bigger one? It is 36 by 40. 36 by 40 is equal to our 9 by 10. So 7 by 8 is a smaller number than 9 by 10. Mental max sums in page number 60. First one is compare the following. Second one is write it in ascending order. So we need a space for this to compare the number, because denominators are different, means we have to take LCM. So we'll go to the CW section now. First sum is 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Denominators both are equal, so we can compare with the numerator alone. 3 by 7 is a smaller number than 5 by 7. Next, second one is 6 by 7 and 6 by 11. Both the numerators are equal, denominators are different. Then here in this case, compare the denominator. Denominator smaller number means which will be the bigger one. So 6 by 7 and 6 by 11. 6 by 7 is the bigger one than 6 by 11. Next, third sum is 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. Same case, numerators are equal, denominators are different. So it's denominator 2 by 3, 2 by 4. 3 is the bigger number. So 2 by 3 is the bigger number. Next, fourth one, 11 by 15, 3 by 15. In this case, denominators both are equal. Then compare the numerator, 11 and 3. 3 is the smaller one, 11 is the bigger one. So 11 by 15 is the bigger one. Coming to the fifth question, 8 by 3, 2 by 3. So denominators are equal, numerator you can compare, 8 by 3 is the bigger one. Coming to the sixth question, 4 by 9 and 5 by 8. Here we have a different denominators and different numerator. We need to compare them, take an LCM, otherwise make it into equal one. So 4 by 9 you can multiply with the 8 by 8. 5 by 8 you can multiply with the 9 by 9. So you can get the denominators both are equal to 72. So when we are multiplying with the numerator and denominator with the same number, we'll get 32 by 72 2 and 45 by 72, which is equal to our 4 by 9 and 5 by 8. Now you can compare the number which is bigger one. Yes, it is 45 by 72, which is equal to our 5 by 8. So 4 by 9 is smaller than 5 by 8. B Roman letter in that is ascending order. See the number 2 by 5, 5 by 5, 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. We can write it in the ascending order. First one is 1 by 5, second 2 by 5, third one 4 by 5, next one is 5 by 5. Next, second question, 5 by 6, 4 by 6, 1 by 6 and 9 by 6. You can write it in ascending order, 1 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 9 by 6. Coming to the third question, 4 by 8, 4 by 1, 4 by 3, 4 by 5. So all the numerators are equal. Compare with the denominators. The denominator, which one is a bigger one, will be the smaller one. So we can write it in ascending order, 4 by 8, 4 by 5, 4 by 3 and 4 by 1 is the ascending order. Next one is a checkpoint, page number 61. Compare the numbers. Okay, first one is 1 by 5 and 3 by 15. See the denominators and the numerators both are different numbers. So we need to compare the number by making into equal fractions. Okay, so 1 by 5 we can make it into denominators equal number. 5 and 15 is there. So for LCM is 15. We can make 1 by 5 into 15. So 3 by 3 we can multiply. The numerator is 1 into 3, 3. Denominator 5 into 3, 15. So 3 by 15, 3 by 15. So both the numbers are equal. Second question is 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Denominator 2 and 4. We can make it into equal fraction, 1 by 2 into 4. So 2 by 2 we can multiply with the 1 by 2. Denominator 4 and numerator is 2. The second number is 3 by 4. Already 4 is there in the denominator. So 3. Now you compare 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater number. Similarly, you can complete the remaining one. Next page. Fifth question. 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Similarly, both the denominators and numerators are different. We can make a denominators into equal fraction. 4 into 2 by 2. Then 3 by 8 into 1 by 1. So we can compare means 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is bigger one, which is 1 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 8. Next 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. 3 by 3 we can divide by 3 by 3 means 1 by 1. 4 by 4 we can divide by 4 by 4 means 1 by 1, because all the numbers are equal numbers, so we can divide it, make it into 1. So both the numbers are equal. Next, coming to the exercise 5.3 in page number 62, write it in the arranging ascending order. So already we saw in that checkpoint also. Similarly, we are going to compare. All the denominators are equal. There is no problem. You can arrange the number into smaller to bigger one. Here 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. So all the denominators are 5. So you can write in ascending order 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Next, second question is 3 by 8, 3 by 12, 3 by 6, 3 by 4. Here all the numerators are equal and the denominators are different. So we can compare the denominators. Which is bigger one will be the smaller one. So 3 by 12, 3 by 8, 3 by 6, 3 by 4 is the ascending order. Next, third question, 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 5. So all the denominators are different number and numerators also different. So we need to take LCM. LCM is 5, 4 and 2 denominators numbers. You can take and write the LCM in the rough column. The LCM is 20. So we need to make all the denominators into 20. So first number is 2 by 5 multiply by 4 by 4 equal to 8 by 20. Next, second number is 3 by 4 into 5 by 5 equal to 15 by 20. Next, 1 by 2 into 10 by 10 equal to 10 by 20. Next, 3 by 5 into 4 by 4 equal to 12 by 20. Now you can compare the number. It is 8 by 20, 10 by 20, 12. 12 by 20, 15 by 20, which is equal to our ascending order is 2 by 5, 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 3 by 4, and the fourth sum is the homework sum for you children. Next, B Roman letter, ascending order we completed. Now descending order. So descending order is bigger number to smaller number. So first sum is 8 by 10, 8 by 9, 8 by 5, 8 by 7. So all the numerators are equal. So compare the denominators. Denominator, which is the smallest one, will be the bigger one. So you can write the descending order 8 by 5, 8 by 7, 8 by 9, 8 by 10. Next, second sum 7 by 10, 5 by 10, 9 by 10 and 3 by 10. Descending order, which is the bigger one, will be the smaller one here. So the descending order is 9 by 10, 7 by 10, 5 by 10 and 3 by 10. Coming to the third question, 5 by 4, 3 by 12, 1 by 3, 4 by 15. All the numerator and denominators are different. You have to write it in the rough column and do the LCM. Here the LCM is 60. So 5 by 4, make it into 60 denominator. So denominator you can multiply with 15. So numerator also multiply with 15. So for 5 by 4 equal to 75 by 60. Next second number 3 by 12. You can multiply by 5 by 5. It is 15 by 60. Next 1 by 3 multiply by 20 by 20. That is 20 by 60. Next fourth number 4 by 15 multiply by 4 by 4 equal to 16 by 50. Now you can make it into descending order. The descending order is 5 by 4, 1 by 3, 4 by 15, 3 by 12. Remaining things we will see in the next class, children. That's it, children. We will complete today's class. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.